In front of me is HTC Desire 12S, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then find and select apps and notifications, and here go to advanced. Pick special app access and select install unknown apps. And right here you can give permission to some particular application so you can smoothly and easily download and install another app through this app. For example, Google Drive, just allow from this source by tapping on the switcher, and that's it. Then you can pick whichever application you would like to give this permission to, make the indicator active, and this is it. So actually that's all. This is how you can smoothly and easily activate installation of apps from unknown sources. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.